Hi, I'm Lindsay Alexander, and this is mybanktracker.com. I'm sure almost everyone can say that when you open your wallet, it's probably pretty likely there are plenty of credit and debit cards in there. You may use one without knowing really which is which, and you don't think it matters which one you use when it comes to purchases. But it's time to start paying attention to which ones you'll use. In general, credit cards have a better protection from fraud, making them more popular. For example, with a credit card, you're only responsible for up to $50 of fraudulent charges. It's the same with debit cards, only if you report the loss within 2 days. Otherwise, you're liable for up to $500. In these cases, you can wait for your credit card company to resolve the matter without having to lose any money, whereas any debit card charges will immediately be deducted from your bank account, and you could be left with an empty account before the bank resolves your funds. With that in mind, there are some instances in which it would be better to use your credit card. When you're building credit, debit cards actually don't have the option to help improve your credit, and big purchases with credit cards provide more protection in case you would need to dispute a charge with the merchant. And rewards on credit cards offer more options than debit cards, although debit cards do have some reward programs. And online purchases and future travel is another safety concern. If someone gets a hold of your debit card information via security breach, your bank account could be drained instantly and for an extended period of time before you can get that stolen money back. Gas stations or hotels would normally block a higher amount on your card of a certain payment than what they initially quoted because they don't know how much you'll ultimately spend. This block usually goes unnoticed on a credit card but could temporarily freeze the funds in your bank account. And when insurance is needed, some credit cards include a limited form of insurance. So it's a factor worth considering, though the policies typically cover very specific cases. On occasion, there may be times when pulling out your debit card will have more of an advantage and will likely allow you to be more budget conscious. I'm Lindsay Alexander with mybanktracker.com, and together we're going to build your finances and rebuild the world.